Now, the famous Limpopo musician Ushebe Mabena, also known as Ushebe Shit, was back in the Polokwane Magistrate Court for his bail hearing, and things did not go smoothly. Now, the main focus on today's court was the testimony of the investigating officer, who said some serious things. Now, he said that some police officers and some NPA officials once helped Ushebe Mabena to get bail in his older cases. He said that they gave Ushebe Mabena special protection even though he kept getting into new trouble. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, the state told the court that Shebe Mabena is not a safe person to release. Their argument was that he keeps committing new crimes while he is out on bail. That is why they are strongly opposing bail. Now, the judge said that more time is needed to continue with the evidence, and this is why this case was postponed. Now, Shebe Mabena is currently facing a total of 9 charges, and out of the 9, 3 are attempted murders, and then the other one is for malicious damage to property for breaking into a vehicle during the incident that happened on October 2025, and also possession of an illegal firearm. And the police said that the gun used was not licensed. Now, the older charges that are still active or that are currently being reinstated is the assault with intent to cause serious injury. Now, this is an older case, and then also robbery with aggravating circumstances. It's also an older case. And then also there's another case for assault and firearm related charges from 2022 to 2023, and some are being reinstated. And then one charge that was previously dropped was discharging a firearm or gun pointing. Now, this was dropped in 2023, but the state is now questioning if the withdrawal was genuine, as there were some older charges that were withdrawn because complainants said they no longer wanted to continue with the charges. But the state made these allegations that some complainants were threatened or intimidated. And the state also said that one complainant said the signature on the withdrawal form was fake. And because of that, the state wants those old cases to be reopened. The prosecutors told the court that Shebe Mabena must not get bail because he committed new crimes while he was already out on bail for other cases. They said that the October 2025 shooting happened while he was out on bail for other violent charges, and he has a pattern of committing crimes again and again while he is free. This makes him a danger to the public, and victims in older cases were intimidated into withdrawing charges. So because of all that, the state says Shebe Mabena will continue committing crimes if he is released on bail again. Now, in social platforms, there are those who are saying that Ushebe must get at least a minimum sentence so that he can get his head straight. And some are saying that Ushebe must be released so that he can continue making music for the people. What are your thoughts?